Hey guys, this is your instructional video for the 12th and the 11th, so the 11th and the 12th for U.S. history. So what I'd like for you to do is I've posted a documentary about Reconstruction to Edpuzzle, and it's almost an hour long. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch the documentary, and then after you watch the documentary, which you have 2 days to watch it, you are going to write a reflection piece for me and then turn it in using Dropbox and Sycamore. So you're going to watch the documentary, and after you watch it, I want you to write 10 sentences reflecting on your impressions on the good and the bad aspects of the Reconstruction period in the South. Because the Reconstruction, which is the period after the Civil War, it's when the Union, the North, has reabsorbed the South, and the country is unified again, as far as they're all part of the Union, but it's not really unified because there's a whole lot of ideas as what should be done to the Confederacy, what should be done to the people who were in positions of power in the Confederacy, what about soldiers, what about the former slaves, what needs to be done. People had lots of different ideas. So the Reconstruction period was a time that was very filled with conflict, and this documentary is going to show you a little bit about that. But I want you to write about what your impressions are about the good aspects of Reconstruction and the bad aspects of Reconstruction. And really the bad aspects of Reconstruction are going to be a lot more evident, so you're going to have to think really hard about if there was any good during the Reconstruction. And so that's going to be due on the 12th. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.